Hello everyone, Ian here from AbelCine in Burbank, and today we are checking out products from LiteGear. As you can see, I've taken over Theater 1 today, and I've made sort of an impromptu nightclub / bar scene, and I'm using instruments from LiteGear to do so. So what I want to do is show you the components of my lighting setup here, and then I'm going to shoot some beauty footage using the Alexa Mini in ProRes 444 in Log C. I've literally stripped everything away so that I could show you the first product. This is what we're going to use to light the bar from underneath. This is the LiteTile Plus 4, and it's called Plus 4 because it has these 4 sections here. And notice that it is made with grommets and with Velcro, so we can attach multiple units of these together for the lighting scenario of our scene. Also, they're connected by these multi-connectors. The entire panel gets powered through a power supply that can be run off a battery or main power, as I'm doing here. And then it has a dimmer pack that allows me to change my luminance, and also I can change my color temperature. So at the back of the bar, I'm using another product from LiteGear. This is the Litematte Plus 1. Let me turn this around. It's the same technology that we have on the tile, it's just that it has a hard back on it. It also has a plate here, so if I wanted to adapt it to a stage pin, I could. It works off of main power or a V-Lock battery as well. On the front, I have installed an egg crate and also a diffusion, and there's a frame that attaches to do that by Velcro. So it's a very fast and easy way to set up. I'm going to peel back this diffusion for a second here. And now you can see the crate, and I have put one of the 3 options for diffusion on this. This is the quarter. You also got a half and a full option. It also weighs next to nothing. And with this diffusion on here, it gives me this nice diffused light in the back of the bar. Finally, I want to talk about LiteRibbon. LiteRibbon is a strip that has LEDs attached to it. These come in all types of combinations. You can get them in rows of 1, 2, 3, or 6 LEDs. There are daylights, tungsten, and now a hybrid. The hybrid is adjustable between 3,000 and 6,000 degrees Kelvin. And what's really remarkable is that in various segments you can see that there is a little copper piece here, and in the middle of that copper is a line. You can literally cut these to any length you want and then attach a wire to it. And with either a battery pack or a power supply, you now have the ability to put light pretty much anywhere at any time. I have this hooked up to a little dimmer so I can adjust this. This is the tungsten version. As you can see, it gets quite bright. I'll do a little really bright. And I also have a bunch of accessories in my kit. What I have for the particular shot I'm about to get is this splitter, which allows me to have 2 strips on 1 dimmer. What I thought would be interesting is try to come up with a shot where LiteRibbon would really show off just how flexible and unique a product it is. So what I decided to do was to light my motorcycle helmet and try a night exterior using these as the key light in my helmet with just a little bit of ambient light for the environment and for the motorcycle. So that's exactly what we did. We went outside and at night with Nick and Christy, and we got these shots. Enjoy. That wraps up my look at LiteGear products. Thanks for watching. It's martini time.